We are living through the loneliest generation in history. In 2025, scientists warn of a silent epidemic. In the UK, 4 in 10 young adults say they often feel lonely. In the US, 1 in 3 people experience loneliness every week. But here's the truth nobody says out loud. It's not just loneliness, it's a feeling of being unseen, even when you're surrounded by people. You scroll, you reply, you heart 100 posts. But deep down, you wonder, does anyone really know me? And here's the paradox, we have never been more connected and yet never felt more alone. Loneliness isn't about being alone, it's about feeling unseen. You can sit at home by yourself and feel peaceful, even happy. Or you can be surrounded by friends, laughing at the same jokes, and still feel like a ghost in the room. A friend once told me, I have 2000 followers, but not one person I can call at 2 a.m. That's what modern loneliness looks like. And here's the surprising part, loneliness isn't a weakness, it's a biological wiring. Thousands of years ago, being left out of the tribe meant danger, even death. Your brain hasn't evolved past that. When you feel disconnected today, it still panics, as if your survival is at risk. Harvard researchers discovered something shocking. Your brain processes loneliness the same way it processes physical pain. That's why it hurts so deeply. That tightness in your chest, that lump in your throat, it's not weakness, it's biology. Take a slow breath right now. Think of the last time you felt truly seen. How long ago was it? And who was there with you? Modern life has made connection harder. We move cities for jobs. Families live scattered. Communities have broken apart. We spend 7 plus hours online every day, but speak to fewer people face to face. In the US, the average number of close friends dropped from 3 in 1985 to just 2 in 2021. We scroll more, we talk less, we heart hundreds of posts but speak deeply to no one. I met someone recently who said, I attend parties every weekend, and yet, in a room full of people, I feel like I don't exist. That's the loneliness trap. The more disconnected you feel, the more your brain convinces you to stay away. But avoiding people only makes the isolation worse. If you have ever felt lonely even in a crowd, type yes in the comments. You will see how many of us are carrying the same silence. Chronic loneliness doesn't just hurt, it changes your brain. Studies show your stress hormones spike, your immune system weakens, you become hyper alert to people's behavior, but worse at reading their intentions. A neutral face suddenly looks unfriendly. A short reply feels dismissive. You start assuming people don't want you around. A client once told me, I stopped messaging my friends because I assumed they were too busy for me. And here's the shocking part: neuroscientists found that loneliness lights up the same brain circuits as hunger. That craving you feel, it's your brain's way of saying connection is survival. So, how do we break free from this? It starts small but powerful. First, accept it. Loneliness isn't a flaw, it's a signal. Your mind saying, I need connection. Next, question the story. Loneliness makes your mind amplify negatives. You replay awkward moments. You assume the worst. Pause and ask, is this really true or just fear talking? Then start small. Send one message today. Smile at one stranger this week. Even a 2-minute chat starts rewiring your brain for safety. If you are ready to rebuild connection, comment safe below, so others here know they are not alone. Finally, find your people. A hobby class, an online group, a local club, or volunteering. You don't need hundreds of friends. You just need a few real ones who make you feel seen. In 2023, the US Surgeon General declared loneliness a public health epidemic. Chronic loneliness raises your risk of depression and anxiety, weakens your immune system, accelerates aging, is as harmful as smoking 15 cigarettes a day. Think about it for a moment. If loneliness can be this destructive, imagine how powerful healing connection could be for your mind and life. Here's the good news. The same brain that learned loneliness can unlearn it. Every small moment of connection, a text, a smile, a short conversation, rewires your brain for trust and belonging. You are not broken. You are not invisible. And you are not at all alone. Listen, you are not broken. You are not invisible. And no matter what your mind tells you, you are not at all alone. Because right here, you have found a space where you are seen, and we will walk through this together. If this video spoke to you, share it with someone who needs it. And comment below, when was the last time you felt truly seen? And don't forget to subscribe, because here you are never alone.